Hello students, welcome to the topic interpolation extrapolation. Students, in the previous session we have discussed examples on binomial expansion method. Students, in the previous session we have solved two examples. So in today's session let us solve some more examples on binomial expansion method. Students, let us take the example. I will just read out the question. Following is the data relating to production of wheat. Estimate the production for 2006 and 2010 by binomial expansion method. The first column year is given 2005, 2006 up to 2010. The next column production is given in tons. For the production of 2005 is 5 tons, 2006 is missing, 2007 is 10, like that. So in the year 2010 we have to find out the production. See here students, in this question we have to find the missing value of production of 2006 and 2010. Students, as you know the procedure, see, first we have to find the number of values. So how many number of known values of y are there here? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means 4 known values of y's are there. So therefore the expansion becomes y minus 1 raised to 4. So this means n value is 4. Because known values of y's are 4. So that's why the expansion is y minus n raised to 4. So friends, you see here, so these are the y0 value, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So this means in this series we have to find the missing value of y1 and missing value of y5. So the next step is, students, we have to generate the equations, two equations. So this means you have to expand this. So how to expand this? First, as you know, if n value is 4 means first y value is y4. So like this you have to decrease y value by up to y0. y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Okay, and next first sign is always positive, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, right? So next for these numbers we have to refer the Pascal triangle. If n value is 4 means you have to refer the 4 series. See here, so the numbers are for n value of 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So write the numbers 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So now you substitute the values. See, here the y values are there. So y4 is 26, right? y4 26 minus 4 into y3 is 15, right? 15 here, plus 6 into y2 is 10, substitute 10 here, minus 4 into y1 is, so that we have to find out, right, as it is, plus y0 is 5, right? 5. So after solving this, see here, 26 as it is, minus 15 4s are 60, plus 6 10s are 60, minus 4 into y1 is 4y1, plus 5 is equal to 0. So after solving this, first you add positive values, then you take the negative values. So after solving this, so it becomes 31 is equal to 4y1. So therefore y1 is equal to 31 divided by 4. So after finding this, missing value of y1 is 7.75 tons. Students, next we have to find the missing value of y5. To find the missing value of y5, for that we have to generate the second equation. As you know, second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of y by 1 and keeping the coefficients same. So write the second equation, increasing the suffixes of y by 1 and keeping the coefficients same. So this means y4 becomes y5 minus 4 as it is, y3 becomes y4, plus 6 into y2 becomes y3, minus 4 into y1 becomes y2, plus y0 becomes y1 is equal to 0. So this is second equation. Using this equation we have to find the missing value of y5. Okay students, now we have to find, substitute the values. So y5 minus 4 into y4 is 26 plus 6 into y3 is 15 minus 4 into y2 is 10 plus y1 is 7.75 is equal to 0. So it becomes y5 minus 26 4s are 104 plus 15 6 are 90 minus 4 10s are 40 plus 7.75. See students, as I told you, first we add positive values, then you take negative values. After solving this, it becomes y5 minus 46.25 is equal to 0. So it becomes, therefore, missing value of y5 is equal to 46.25 tons. See students, let us take one more, the last example, the method of binomial expansion method. So let us, I'll read out the questions students here. Interpolate and extrapolate the production for the years 2014 and 2017 from the following data. Okay. So in this question students, we have to find out the missing value of, we have to interpolate and extrapolate 2014 and 2017. Students, as you know, the first method is, first you have to know the known values of y. Let us check how many known values of y's are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 known values of y. So this means the expansion becomes, the value is y minus 1 raised to 5, because known values are 5 values are there. So that's why the series is y minus 1 raised to 5. So now we expand the series. As you know, n value is 5 means first value is y5. So y values have to decrease up to y0. y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. As you know, first sign is always positive, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So for these numbers, you have to refer the Pascal triangle. Here n value is 5. Refer the fifth series. So the numbers are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this is the expansion of y minus 1 raised to 5. Students, so these are the y values, assign y values, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So this means we have to find missing value of y3 and missing value of y6. Using first equation, we have to find the missing value of y3. Using second equation, we have to find the missing value of y6. So now we substitute the value students. y5 is 300. You can refer this to write the y values. y5 is 300. Substitute here, minus 5 into y4 is 240 plus 10 into y3 as it is, minus 10 into y2 is 180 plus 5 into y1 is 140 minus y0 is 80. So students, after solving this, 300 as it is minus 240 into 5 is 1200 plus 10 y3 as it is minus 10 into 180 is 1800 plus 145 is 700 minus 80 is equal to 0. As you know, from this step, separate positive values and negative values. So after solving this, 10y3 minus 2080 is equal to 0. It becomes y3 is equal to 10y3 is equal to 2080. So therefore, y3 is equal to 2080 divided by 10. So the missing value of y3 is 208. Students, to find the missing value of y6, write the second equation. So how to write the second equation? You know, second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of y by 1 and keeping the coefficients same. So increase the y value by 1. y5 becomes y6 minus 5 into y4 becomes y5 plus 10 into y3 becomes y4 minus 10 into y2 becomes y3 plus 5 into y1 becomes y2 minus y0 becomes y1 is equal to 0. Students, using this second equation, we have to find the missing value of y6. Okay, students, write the equation. So substitute y values. y6 minus 5 into y5 is 300 plus 10 into y4 is 240 minus 10 into y3 is 208 plus 5 into y2 is 180 minus y1 is equal to 140. Students, from this step, substitute the values multiplying y6 minus 5 into 300 is 1500 plus 10 into 240 is 2400 minus 10 into 208 is 2080 plus 5 into 180 is 900 minus 140 as it is. From this step, students, separate positive values and negative values separately. So after solving this, it becomes y6 minus 420. So it becomes y6 is equal to 420. So therefore, the missing value of y6 is equal to 420. So like this, you have to find the missing values of y6. Okay, students. With this, so I'm going to end the today's session here only. Students, in the next class, I'm going to explain the second method. After binomial expansion method, the second method is Newton's method. So students, in the next method, I'm going to solve and tell you how to find out the Newton's method. Thank you, students.